Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Tuesday, where we're going to show you how to upgrade your Sunjo, Ryobi, or Greenworks pressure washer. In order to upgrade your Sunjo, Ryobi, or Greenworks, what you're going to need are two things from us. A snub style kit, which there are a variety of options available out there, and a 15mm adapter. There are a variety of MTM and Veloci snub kits available. Because this is the most important component, make sure that this is in the image or listed as a component of the kit. And if it's not, be sure to add this item to your order. All of these kits require assembly, which I'm going to walk through right now. This particular foam cannon snub kit comes with an M22 adapter, which would be for maybe a Karcher residential unit or possibly a gas unit. This end would go directly into the gun, and this end would go into the hose outlet. If you're looking to use a QC system, you would take your 15mm M22 adapter, install it at the hose outlet. Then you would wrap your 3/8 male plug with Teflon and install it at your gun inlet. This particular gun is the SGS-28 and has a live swivel. Then you're going to wrap Teflon onto your male 1/4" QC and install it at your gun outlet. And for Sunjo, Ryobi, and many other small pressure washers, we recommend that you change the orifice to the 1.1mm that's included in the bag. For this demonstration, we're just going to install these hand tight, but for use, you're going to want to use 2 wrenches. The plug going into the swivel is going to go until you have about 2 threads left, 2 to 3. The coupler going into the gun should thread almost all the way to the shoulder. And this fitting, because it's BSP, which is a different thread type, is only going to thread in about halfway. And finally, using your 15mm specialized adapter, push it onto the O-ring and thread completely on, hand tight only. While this is an ideal setup for someone like a detailer or somebody in tight spaces, where you can get in really close with either your nozzle or your foam cannon, if you're using it around the house, you probably still want to have an extension lance, because what came with your pressure washer is this guy, which now that we have this nice new gun, we can pitch it. You can upgrade to a 20-inch lance with bend, which allows you to get on top of tall vehicles. And around the house, you can still do the concrete. The fittings allow you to attach and detach your cannon and lance, and the OEM nozzles that came with your Sunjo will still fit. And the last upgradable item after doing your snub kit and your lance is going to be your hose. Every pressure washer comes with a hose. This one came with a 30-foot hose, which is annoying because you can't even go all the way around the vehicle. So MTM Veloci offers a Kit 5, which comes with a 50-foot gray hose, which is non-marking, stainless fittings installed, and 2 adapter fittings. The great thing about Kit 5 is that all the fittings are assembled. So I have chosen one of my fittings. For Sunjo, it's going to be the 15mm fitting. I've installed it at the pump outlet. Engage my coupler and plug. Engage my coupler and plug. And get rid of my hose. And that's how easy it is to upgrade your Sunjo, Ryobi, or Greenworks pressure washer.